We have with us today Kwesi Hagan, a lawyer from Ghana who has been working with us assisting clients from Ghana acquire citizenship and residency in Malta. Akwa Bapa.
Medasi.
So what have been the main motivators for your clients choosing Malta for the residency and citizenship?
For residency, it allows the Maltese national to move freely through the Schengen area. But for citizenship, it allows them to live, reside, do business, and invest in Malta and the rest of Europe. And they'll be entitled to school as well, and for quality education. What is the standing of the Maltese Individual Investor Program under European law?
Well, when the program was first launched, originally it only involved a contribution to the Maltese economy. And that raised some questions within European sectors on the acceptability of a program that sold citizenship after simply making a contribution. However, subsequent amendments introduced immediately at the outset of the program ensured that Europe then eventually fully approved the program, turning Malta into the only program approved by the European Union. What secured this approval has been the introduction of a one-year wait for citizenship while one enjoys residency rights in Malta and therefore in the Schengen area. So what mobility benefits does one enjoy as a Maltese citizen?
Well, as a Maltese citizen, he is allowed to travel freely to more than 166 countries, and this includes the US and Canada. And Maltese residents are also allowed to travel freely within the European Schengen area.
So what healthcare rights do Maltese citizens enjoy?
Malta offers a high-quality medical system, which is free to Maltese nationals, and it has been ranked top 5 by the World Health Organization. What about the Maltese educational system attracts families from Ghana?
Well, Malta has a number of private school options, as well as a very well-respected but free public school system. It enjoys a long tradition in tertiary education too, with the Maltese University being one of the oldest in Europe. English is the language of instruction in all schools in Malta, and schools in Malta prepare students either under the English system or for the IB system for internationally recognized qualifications and for further studies in international schools and universities.
So what investment is required to obtain a Maltese passport?
To qualify for citizenship in Malta, all the capital investment required is payable only upon receipt of approval by the Maltese authorities. On receiving this letter of in-principle approval, one needs to make a non-refundable contribution of €650,000 to the Malta Social and Development Fund. On top of this, one must also invest €150,000 in government bonds to be kept for at least 5 years. After 5 years, one can dispose and redeem these bonds. One must also buy or rent property to be kept for at least 5 years.
What is the process to get a Malta passport?
Before we start the process, our lawyers run a due diligence test to ensure that the client is eligible under the rules of the program. This saves clients time, money and resources put into an application which might otherwise end up not being favourably considered. Once we determine that the client is eligible, that is the stage where the client engages us and we start the process. The first step there is for the client to visit Malta to start off the residency period of 1 year. Residency cards are actually issued to clients within a matter of days, so that clients enjoy Schengen residency throughout the process right up to receiving their passport within a total of 12 months. Actually, the processing time is kept to a maximum of 4 months. That means that a family applying for citizenship in Malta will definitely know within 4 months whether they have been approved or not. And it is only upon approval that they need to make the financial commitments required under the program.
Thank you, JP, for sharing your insights. This will be extremely beneficial to the people of Ghana. And I'm sure quite a lot of them will come here very soon.
Thank you, Pa, for being here. It was likewise a pleasure having you in Malta. I'm sure that we will have more Ghanaians coming to Malta either under the citizenship or residency programs, or even just as entrepreneurs setting up their business operations or maybe wealth management structures in Malta. So looking forward to it.